si Manda nag-interview. Sino nasa? Birthday. Okay.
Dalawa doon?
Thank you. Mahuli na sila.
Bye, Jay. Bye, Jay.
Okay. Let's call on Joby. Are you here now? Jobs, asa naman ka? Ganun ba yun? Lingkod ka dahil? Lingkod. Timbag ka rin natin.
Babay nang din.
Babay ko yun niya.
Mamay kita na, di pa panahid ka.
Samtang nagtawag pa sila sa gikuha pa nila ang ilang kuan karaoke kay mapanariwain. Ato saan pasayaw, gusto magsayaw, ato pasayaw ng anak ni Edith. Okay mo? Ale mga anak. Mga anak ni Edith, pasayaw. Kisay pa nga sa inyong mama?
Oh. Oh, lagi.
Okay. Ready ma?
Oh, anak ni Edith. Mga anak ni Edith ni.
Supersonic hypnotic funky fresh everybody singing like this people's just everybody Martin Poppy in the party grabs them by the hip work your body they sing side everybody get on the floor bring the party up we about to get it on we see 1 2 step I love it 1 2 step everybody 1 2 step we about to get it on
Moving going my way, get my way for years. Am I correct? Every love, young, in another life, but he loved and loved to but I can't. I met this girl who turned and say, "Oh my." She brought me by surprise and I thought I'd be the one breaking down. I can't figure it out.
Pakai video ha?
I'm losing control. This girl's got a hold on me. Yeah. Let me go this way. Now listen, so you give a who you do, 'cause karma comes back around. Same old song. Now I was so sure that it wouldn't happen to me, 'cause I know how to put it down. But I was so wrong. Girl, be so serious, telling me out. Looking for right that time with the flashlight. Be safe, been my style. I can't figure it out. Got me feeling it. I don't wanna wait. It seems you got me twisted. So got me feeling it. I'm losing control. Girl, got a hold. So really feeling it. I don't wanna wait. It seems you got me twisted. So really feeling it. I'm losing control. Girl, got a hold on me. Feel like it, baby. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. Kisay pa nga si mama dahil? Okay, kanang ato sa interviewon si Mr. Barbak kay cameraman nato atong
Hello.
ato pag-reach sa kuan mga taga-Canadian.
dako kayong garbo na mo nga nauli gyud mo dinhi sa mua. O sa atoa. Nauli mo dinhi sa atoa.
Okay, thank you so much, Tita Joe. Onya, ato na ihatag ang kanta ni Licky sa may magkanta. Badot na sad. Gaya, badot. Isa mo yung badot, palugit man ka. Buds, asa na itong katulang. Kanalang kuwanda, makto siya nga nagtupad ni badot. Isa na siya?
Jad.
Si Joby! Ay na, Jobs! Oh, nag-adjust na po. Sige. Ready na. Ready na, Day? Day. Ready na kuno si Juntis? Sige, ato pakantahon. Ato sa tagatong mga masipang pakpak si Badot. Sige, Buds. Ala, si Joby. Ala,